we have done various models using nth term formula in arithmetic progression. Now let us move on to next formula, which is sum of n terms, and we will do some more models based on this formula, which is sum of n terms. Okay, I have in the first class I have already mentioned about the formula list, but kindly check for my first class. But again I will be discussing about the formula and then we will move on to the models. Let's see one more interesting model today. The question says the sum of third and seventh terms of AP is 6. Okay, and their product is, there means the third and seventh term product is 8. Okay, you have to find sum of first 20 terms of AP. See, whenever such kind of questions are given, you want sum of first 20 terms, you need to know the sequence first, isn't it? So let's start this solution. You will use the data given, try to solve the problem, get the values of A and D so that you get the sequence first. And then once you know the sequence, it's easy to solve for whatever they're asking. Okay, so he said sum means addition of what and what? Third term and seventh term. So T3 plus T7 should be how much? It seems 6. Okay, their product means third and seventh term product. T3 into T7 should be how much? 8. I'll use brackets for your convenience. So T3 plus T7 is 6, addition is 6, but their product is 8. Okay, so let's just write what is T3 first. T3 is A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Then it should be A plus 2D. That's T3. Similarly, what is T7? T7 is how much? I can write A plus 7 minus 1 into D, which will become A plus 60. So what is T7? A plus 60. What is T3? A plus 2D. I'll just mark with some other color so that you see it. So I want this and this for solving. Okay, right, let's use it. The first thing I need to solve here is for this value, isn't it? So let's say T3 plus T7 is equals to 6. I am solving. Okay, so I'll write A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equals to 6. 2A plus 8D is equals to 6. I can take 2 common. I'll write A plus 4D is equals to 6. A plus 4D is equals to 6 by 2. So A plus 4D is equals to 3 is what you got. Okay, that's the equation you got. You can write implies A is 3 minus 4D. Why? We can solve this way or that way. It's up to you. But since if I had 2 equations or 2 relationships, like in previous model we have seen, wherein 2 equations are given in addition form or subtraction form, then it's convenient for us to write in this way, keep it in this form and then solve it. But when it comes to product, we can't do that way. So we need to convert one variable into another form or in terms of another one. Okay, that's the reason I'm writing A as 3 minus 4D. Else I would prefer to keep it like this and solve like this itself. Like in previous, if you have seen my videos, you can see the previous model, very previous model, you can find it like this. Okay, okay, let's solve for product now. T3 into T7 is how much? 8. What is T3? A plus 2D, prefer to write brackets for multiplication, we need it. Okay, into A plus 6D is equals to 8. you can solve this way. A plus 2d, here a plus 60. Okay, this is a square, this will be 6ad, and this will be plus 2ad, and this will be 6 to the 12d square. Some people use this method. I also prefer this one because you will not go wrong with your symbols here. Plus 6ad plus 2ad plus 12d square is what? How much? A square plus 8ad plus 12d square is equals to how much it seems? 8. Correct? So I bring back this value here and write 8. Okay. So now you need to solve this one. How do I solve? Either you can solve this using this one, or okay, let's solve this now. Now the wise thing is you use this a value as 3 minus 4d into these. You just place these values here. Okay, I'll use another color to show that. So you will use this a value in place of this value and this value. Okay, replace them. Now once you replace them, it will become in terms of d entirely. See, 3 minus 4d plus 2d here into 3 minus 4d plus 60 here is equals to 8, isn't it? So 3 minus 2d it will become, because minus 4d plus 2d. Don't do 4d plus 2d is 60 and write minus 60. This is wrong. Okay, kindly understand this one. See, I am using cloud here to represent that mistake. I am writing here. People write 3 minus 4d plus 2d as 3 minus 4 plus 2 6, so 60. This is wrong. Kindly understand this. You need to solve for d first. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So this is correct. Okay. So 3 minus 2d is what is correct. Let's use that into 3 minus 4d plus 60 will become plus 2d is equals to 8. So you get minus 2d here plus 2. Can you see this in the form of like x minus y into x plus y form? It should become x square minus y square is equals to 8. What's x here? 3. 3 square. Here x is 3, y is 2d. Correct? Minus 2d whole square is equals to 8. So I solve further, I will get 3 square is 9 minus 4d square is equals to 8. Minus 4d square is equals to 8 minus 9. Minus 4d square is equals to minus 1. Yes. If I solve further, I can write it as minus minus cancel. So 4d square is equals to 1. D square is equals to 1 by 4. And d will be square root of 1 by 4. Remember to write this way. Always write plus or minus when you have a square root. When you are solving for a square root, you need to get two values, because see, square of a negative integer or a positive integer or number, let it be number only. Square of a negative number or a positive number will result the same number. Say for instance, minus 5 whole square is plus 25. Plus 5 whole square also plus 25, which means both will give same. So that's the reason for square root we need to write two solutions. D is plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay. Once you have this idea, all you have to do is solve for A. So if D is plus 1 by 2, if I consider D to be positive, then A will be how much? 3 minus 4D. So 3 minus 4 times plus 1 by 2. Correct? You have to take positive 1 by 2. Then it will become 3 minus 4 by 2. Isn't it? 4 into 1 is 4. So I can write that. So it will become how much? 3 minus 2, which is 1. Don't try to take LCM and all. You can cancel here. If it is possible to cancel, keep it simple. Solve it. Okay. So that is 1. If D is plus 1 by 2, you get this. If D is minus 1 by 2, then what is A? A will be 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. Minus is plus anyways. So plus 4 by 2, which will become 2 1s are 2 2s are again 3 plus 2, which will be 5. Okay. A is 5. So now what else you have to do? You need to solve for S 20. That's what he asked. Sum of first 20 terms. Yes. So if at all I consider, okay, I'll use this space here. If A is if D is plus 1 by 2, then A is how much? 1. If D is minus 1 by 2, A will be how much? 5. Then N is 20 here, here also N is 20. Let me solve. S20 is equals to 20 by 2, bracket A is 1 plus N minus 1, 20 minus 1 into 1 by 2. Sn formula I am using. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Correct? So this is what I have to use. Then I can write this as, yeah, okay. So I will start solving. This will become 10 bracket 1 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 times 1 by 2, which will become 10 times 1 plus 19 by 2, which will be 10 bracket 2 is the LCM, so 2 plus 19, and then it will become 10 times 19 plus 2, 21 by 2. Yes, further it will become how much? Is equals to 200. 2 5s are right, I can cancel here. So 5 into 21 will be, so 5 here, and then you will get 5 2s are 10. Okay, I'll rub this part. It will become 5 times 21. 2 gets cancelled, which will become 505. Okay. And what about, so S20 is how much? 105. Now what about this one? In this case also S20 should be equal to 20 by 2, bracket A is 5 plus 20 minus 1 into D is minus 1 by 2. Use brackets please. And then 5 plus 19 times minus 1 by 2. This will become 10 times 5 minus 19 by 2, because plus into minus is minus. And then LCM, what's the LCM is 2. 5 2s are 10 minus 19. So it will become 10 times minus 9 by 2. 2 5s are, of course, it will become 9 5s are 45 with a minus. Okay. So S20 in this case with D as negative and A negative 1 by 2 and A as 5 will have S20 as minus 45, whereas the other one is 105.
Namaste, welcome to Atharva Nava. I am Sirisha and I teach mathematics and physics for CBSE, ICSE and IGCSE grade 6 to 10. To follow my classes, kindly subscribe to Atharva Nava, hit the bell icon for further notifications on different topics. Kindly share, comment to help others as well. Thank you.